Welcome to Sipnayan Goat at ang gagawin natin ngayon ay addition of integers. So, intro. Addition of signed numbers ang gagawin natin ngayon. So, before tayo mag-proceed sa rules of addition on signed numbers, here are some 4 points that we need to consider in order to add signed numbers. Okay, so number 1, absolute value. So, we know what's the meaning of absolute value, or we know how to do the absolute value of a number. Number 2 is familiar tayo kung ano yung integers. And numbers 3 and 4, yung basic operation, which is basic addition and basic subtraction. So, kung alam natin tong apat na to, mas mapapadali yung pag-add natin ng integers or signed numbers. Now, proceed tayo sa rules ng addition. So, first rule is if we have like signed numbers. So, in order to add like signed numbers, or we can say same signed numbers, we just add the absolute value of the given numbers and prefix the common sign. So, we are familiar what's the positive or what is positive and what is negative naman. Yeah, when we see the common sign, that's what we are going to prefix at the end of the process. Okay, some examples tayo. So, we have here 18 plus 23. So, 18 plus 23. So, it's like we're performing basic addition. So, 18 plus 23, in basic addition, we're going to get 41. Okay? But applying the rules in addition, since both of them are positive, we have positive 18 and positive 23, we just add the numbers, and since the sign is positive here, we should prefix a positive sign. But since positive numbers, we don't really need to affix the positive sign, we will not affix it. So, automatic pag walang sign yon, it's considered as a positive number. Okay? So, again, 18 plus 23 will give us 41 or positive 41. Next one. So, we have negative 4 plus negative 7. So, if we're going to observe this example, the given numbers are both negative. So, we have negative 4 and negative 7. We will add the two numbers. So, adding the absolute value, so 4 and 7, that will give us 11. Okay? But since the common sign that they have is negative, we will prefix negative or the negative sign. So, the final answer is negative 11. Another example. So, we have 37 plus 53. So, again, observe lang natin or consider natin yung mga signs ng given numbers. Since sabi ko nga kanina, kapag walang sign or visible sign yung given numbers, it's considered as a positive number. So, we have here positive 37 and positive 53. So, we know the addition works. So, 37 plus 53 will give us 90. Okay? And then, positive number sila. So, it's positive 90. So, we don't need to prefix the positive sign here. Then, another example for addition of same sign numbers or like sign numbers, we have negative 83 plus negative 19. So, again, get the absolute value of the numbers. So, we have 83 and 19. We can just simply add 83 and 19. Okay? So, 83 and 19 will give us 102. But since they're both negative, we should prefix the negative sign on 102. So, the final answer is negative 102. So, that's how we add same sign numbers or like signed numbers. Now, we have a rule for different sign numbers, or the rule for adding unlike sign numbers is different from adding same sign numbers. That's why I gave first yung addition of same sign numbers. So, the next one is the rule for the unlike sign numbers or the different sign numbers. So, what's the rule for those numbers?